The arrival of sugar snap peas at my local farmer's market pries whatever remaining grasp the frigid fingers of New York winter has on the year, and is the official start of what I like to call dope as hell produce season. This is my favorite way to cook them. First, we need to remove the fibrous strings from a ½ pound of peas by snapping or cutting off one end and peeling along the bottom of the pea to the other side. Preheat a cast iron or any other skillet over medium-high heat, then toss your peas in 2 teaspoons of a neutral oil. Once your pan is hot, spread your snap peas out in an even layer and cook for 90 to 120 seconds, or until the first side is deeply charred. Flip your peas over, then cook the second side for about 60 seconds or until slightly charred but not soft. If you have a culinary torch at your disposal, feel free to whip it out while the second side cooks and have some fun charring those peas up before transferring them into a mixing bowl. Toss the charred peas with zest from half of a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of maldon flaky salt, and 1½ tablespoons of Japanese furikake before plating it up, topping it with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, maybe a pinch of red pepper flakes just for color, and additional salt to taste if needed. Now, I think they're totally perfect as is, but if you feel like whipping up a little sauce to have on the side, you can combine 1/2 cup of Japanese mayo with 2 tablespoons of Sriracha, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and zest from half of a lime to make a quick but tasty dip. Oh yeah. These are just so good. You get the nuttiness from the sesame seeds, then the char and the crunch and the fresh flavors from the snap peas themselves, the briny, smoky flavors from the nori, and then a little hint of acidity from that lemon zest. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it or subscribing to my channel. It really helps out small YouTubers like me, and I would really appreciate it. Until next time, later nerds.